my name's Mary English. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to make an equal house chart. So go to astro.com, sign in if you have to. I think I'm already signed in, my name's up there. So put your cursor over free horoscopes, scroll over to extended chart selections, which is underneath drawings and calculations, and click. And that'll take you to a new page. Now I've already put in Bob's chart, so we'll just get Bob up. So Bob's my example. I've already put his data into the system, but you can put the data in by clicking add new person and putting the date of birth and but you already know how to do that. But this is how to make equal house. Go down to options for zodiac and houses, house system, click in here, equal, and click here to show chart. And your chart will come up, beautifully equal house. Now we know this is Bob's chart because it says horoscope 4. There's his date of birth, 5th of January 1990, his imaginary person, 6 AM, and he's born in London. He's sun sign Sagittarius, sun sign Capricorn with the ascendant Sagittarius. But the important thing is this chart is now equal house. There we go. That was just a quick demonstration of how to make equal house. So to recap, go put your cursor over free horoscope, scroll over to extended chart selection. Bob's already in the system there. He's already in the box at the top, but you can choose anybody that you've saved. You can save up to 100 free on astro.com. I've got 1,000 because I pay extra to have more details in there. House system under options for zodiac and houses. Click in there, equal house. Click there, click here to show chart, and your chart comes up. Beautiful equal house. Now if you're going to print it off, so click up here, back to chart selection, it'll take you back to the extended chart selection page. Make sure it says at the top there, extended chart selection. If you were going to print this off and you want to make it slightly smaller, it does give you the image size there. Okay, so you can go all the way down to 63%, which makes it so teeny. Let me show you what that looks like. It's a teeny weeny little chart. I hate them, I think they're horrible. Go back. I tend to print mine at 90, reason being it fits into my printer better and I don't end up losing bits of it. So underneath the chart itself, so we go this nicely equal house. Underneath on the left here, you've got all the data that relates to that particular person. So Sun, Capricorn, Moon, Aries, Mercury, Capricorn, and so on. And just to let you know, on this side here, we've got fire, air, earth, water, cardinal, fixed, mutable. So he has Moon in Aries, which is a fire sign, that the fire's written in red, the air is written in yellow, the earth is written in green, and the water is written in blue. But since this tutorial is just about how to make an equal house chart, I'm going to stop there, so I hope that helps.